Creating ads for your business can often be something that is incredibly expensive, hiring editors, models, and even getting the script right. But today, we're going to be using AI for every step of the process. And we're going to be using ArcAds because these guys actually offer incredibly realistic AIs for our UGC ads in which we can generate in mass and then test all on our ad account. So without further ado, let's dive in to this amazing platform. So this is ArcAds AI, and this does exactly what it says on the tin because you can choose an avatar, and yes, if you look at all of these look incredibly realistic, but the fact is these are all AI generated and they work for promoting your business. Normally, you're going to have to go back and forth with creators, editors, and all of these things just to make your ad right. But these guys basically allow you to just put in a script and then choose your avatar that you want to actually speak, and then you will have your ad in a matter of minutes. So let's walk you through exactly how to do this. So here we are on the ArcAds AI dashboard. You can see all of the ads that I make for my businesses and I use all the time. So if we were to click this one, for example, we can see this actually has a woman talking, but it looks incredibly realistic. And yes, it is completely and fully AI. So let's go ahead and create a new project here. And then we will have a few options. What we can do is select this button and choose talking actors, gestures, B-rolls, or even scenes. But obviously we want a UGC ad here, so let's go with talking actors. And then what we're going to do is press the add actors button. So here we have a bunch of different actors that we can choose from, and yes, they all look incredibly realistic. So here we have the one we used before, and as you can see, that looks like a real person that we've hired to talk here. But we can choose from a bunch of different ones. Let's actually pick one for our ad right now. I like the look of this one, so let's choose this guy. And all we're going to do is press add actors. And then we press add actors, and you can see that it's added to our section here. Now what we're going to do is actually put in our script. We can create this script using other AI platforms such as Cloud, such as ChatGPT, or even Grok. So here I'm going to paste in my script that I have written. So we are tired of sending long, messy links. PrimeLink, which is the business we're promoting, is a simple tool you need to turn those into clean, short links that are easy to share. So once we're happy with all of this, what we can do is simply press this button here. And it's going to go ahead and give us this screen. This is just suggestions, keeping it all TOS, and yes, avoid typos, use proper punctuation, and avoid violent, racist, or adult content. We have done all of that. What we can do is press the generate video button. And then all we got to do is wait a couple minutes for this to generate. And while we're doing that, we could also create more ads and get this into a batch production process. Now the rendering has completed, so let's just see the result here.
Tired of sending long, messy links? PrimeLink is the simple tool you need to turn those into clean, short links that are easy to share. You can even generate QR codes in seconds and track exactly who's clicking or scanning with powerful analytics and insights. It's fast, reliable, and you can try it for free right now. Whether you're sharing links for business, events, or content, PrimeLink makes it easy and professional. Ready to simplify your links and get real results? Click the link below.
So I'm pretty happy with that. We could run that as an ad, or we could go ahead and remix it or download it here, as you can see. But this is just an example of how you can create this ad in literally a few minutes. And anyone that's watching this in the demographic that we're looking for can see that this avatar is relatable and will actually listen to what he's saying. Now, how much does this platform cost? Well, we can see here in the billing section that yes, I actually have the Pro one because I run a lot of ads and I need to A/B test them. But we can see it's super cheap here when you're comparing this to actually hiring your own UGC actors and having them create something that is usable, as well as obviously using an editor to do this. So yes, we can see $110 per month for 10 videos per month, or you can go up to $220. But even at this $220 or higher that I'm using, the return on investment from running a good ad using this platform is usually something that eclipses this very easily. And that is exactly how to create an ad with ArcAds. Definitely consider checking checking it out and trying it in the description, guys, because honestly, this has transformed a bunch of my businesses that I do this for. Now, that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you guys in the next one.